It's 8 o'clock here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to do 3 box Super Jumbo, Bowman Draft style, yo-yo, fo-fo, show. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just saying random stuff. That's what I do. Preferred fresh case ending now. Preferred football ending now. And then National Treasures baseball is back tonight, so make sure and get in. And then we have Immaculate football tonight, so don't miss out on that. And Elite Extra baseball, of course. So, all right. Colts, Jags, Chiefs ending now on the Bay. Colts, Jags, and Chiefs ending now on the Bay. And what the Sam Jones is doing? This is fun. Super Jumbo, Super Jumbo, Super Jumbo Bomb. Lay down. Alright, here we go. Camera. Right. No, I should never do that ever in my life. Never, ever in my life. Jags, Chiefs, ending now. Some paper guys. Paper boys. Some chrome guys. Out of $4.99, Brendan Rodgers for the Colorado Rockies. Some chrome dudes. Kyle Wright. Green, Tristan Lutz for the Milwaukee Brewers. That is out of 99. And a Mark Vientos autograph. Mark Vientos base autograph for the New York Mets. What the hell happened? What did I do? Some base dudes. Paper boys. And some refractors. Chargers and Rams ending now. Chargers, Rams, Dolphins, Vikings ending now in preferred. This is a crazy ass product to open. That was Cardinals. Oh, okay. Chargers, Rams, ending now. Chargers, Rams. No, it's all good, man. Dolphins, Vikings, ending now. Dolphins, Vikings, ending now. Vikings, Patriots, ending now on the Bay. Vikings and Patriots. I guess I didn't get on that. Alright. Out of $4.99, Jose Taveras for the Phillies. Jorge Mateo. The wrong Angels. Jacob Pearson, base auto for the Angels. Jacob Pearson. Patriots, Saints, ending now. Patriots, Saints, ending now. A lot of cards. Yeah. I was browsing, saw a guy break 10 Ks of bone in one break. Took him about 9 hours. Oh my. Yeah, that, I would never do that ever in my life. Unless, like, the only way I would do that is, like, if it was me and Toby, and, like, we just, like, took turns, like, breaking, like, a case here or something. But there's no way. Not just one guy. Blue paper out of 150, Taylor Ward for the Angels. Yeah, that's crazy. Ronald Acuna. Blue out of 200, TJ Friedl. Royce Lewis, Brent Rooker, and a blue shimmer of Nick Pratto for the Royals. Out of 150 for the Royals. Giants, Jets, ending now. Giants, Jets, Raiders, Eagles. Giants, Jets, ending now. He's the only one that does that. Yeah, you gotta be almost insane to do that. Yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy talk right there. Jets, Raiders, Eagles, ending now in preferred, fresh case. Lots of chrome dudes. Lots of paper dudes. Alright, somebody really likes the Eagles. Let me get some Cardsmiths. That's crazy. That is bananas. Bananas. Bananas in pajamas. Alright. These packs are enormous. I don't even think I know who Nordy's is. I know it's Cardsmiths is, but I'm not sure I know who Nordy's is. Nine case break. Yeah, that would probably be not cheap, I would expect. Depends on if he did player break, like players, or if he did teams, or depends on, I guess, how you do it. This pack is always boring. There's one pack that has fun stuff in it, and there's one pack that's just boring. That never had anything in it. There's dudes. Yeah, that's bananas. Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, ending now. Raiders, Eagles, Steelers. Austin Hayes sold for $1,800. Woo! Somebody likes their Austin Hayes. Okay, so we got some chrome dudes. We got purple paper out of 250 Lucas Ursig for the Brewers. There should not be shipping, Brandon. Shipping should always be free. I don't know why if you had to pay shipping. Let me just double check, but you should never have to pay shipping. Whoa. That's weird. Why is it charging you shipping? You're like the only one. Huh. That is weird. $3 shipping, yeah. Why the heck is it doing that? One spot had shipping, and was it the Jaguars? Yeah. Okay. I don't know why it did that. I will take care of it. I'll take care of it. Out of 150, Ian Anderson for the Braves. Blue. Oh. Auto refractor, Nate Pearson for the Blue Jays. Steelers ending now. Out of 499. Steelers, Niners ending now. Steelers, Niners, Seahawks. I'm special. I'm so special. Paper dudes and chrome refractor dudes. Last pack of the box one. No, that's not a big deal. I don't care. I mean, if you're like promoting them, that's a different story. But you were just talking about them doing a player break. That's all good. I don't mind. Alright, here we go. Last pack of this box. This pack, like, they have the two packs, but the bottom part, one of the parts It's just boring. It has nothing in it but dudes. This has dudes in it. No refractors, no autographs, no numbered cards, nothing but dudes. It's just like, hey, here's some more dudes. Here's some more dudes for you. Good. We got through the dudes. Alright. Fernando Tatis. Purple refractor, A.J. Puckett for the Chicago White Sox. Out of 250. Where did the 49ers go? I didn't even see them. That's not good. 49ers are the same as Tampa Bay, Tennessee, Washington, ending now. Ooh, good one here. Helio Ramos, base auto for the Giants. That's it for the Giants. Helio Ramos. Good job. Good job, young lad. Good job. Alright. Base dudes, lots of dudes, lots of dudes. Lots of dudes, lots of dudes, lots of dudes. Lots of dudes, lots of dudes, lots of dudes. Alright. It's going to go into National Treasures Baseball here next. National Treasures Baseball will be next. Fresh case, as always. Titans and Redskins, last two teams ending now in preferred. Empty ball. Wouldn't that be nice, huh? Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, I was going to say, he's going off again. He went off against the Chargers last time, though, so. $155 yards and a touchdown. 2 touchdowns. 1 receiving. Also has 51 yards receiving. So, yeah. All right. National Treasures ending now on the Bay. National Treasures ending now on the Bay. Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox. Ending now. Blue paper, Gleyber Torres for the New York Yankees. Gleyber. Out of 150. Diamondbacks just ended. We're on the Braves, Orioles, Red Sox. Braves, Orioles, and Red Sox. Ending now. Adam Hazley. Green refractor of TJ Friedel. That's going to be a good one, too. Out of 99 for the Reds. 2 dudes for the Twins. And a green refractor auto of Keston Hiura for the Milwaukee Brewers. Nice hit there for the Brewers. Out of 99. Braves, Orioles, Red Sox. Ending now. All right. Orioles, Red Sox, Cubs, ending now in National Treasures. That's that. What? Alright. There's all the dudes. And there's some dudes again. Dudes playing baseball, yeah. Red Sox, Orioles just ended. We're on the Cubs, White Sox. Cubs, White Sox ending now. Oh, another good auto. Joe Adele, base auto for the Angels. Joe Adele for the Angels. Where are you, focus? My only focus. There you are. Mackenzie Gore. Purple refractor, Force Whitley out of 250 for the Houston Astros. Kyle Wright, base auto for the Atlanta Braves. He was 5th overall. Kyle Wright. Atlanta Braves. Cubs, White Sox, ending now. White Sox, Reds, Indians, ending now on the Bay. White Sox, Reds, Indians, ending now on the Bay. All right, let me get rid of some of these cards on my desk here real quickly. Alright, guys, here we go. Bowman Chrome, or Bowman Draft. Bowman Draft. Bowman Draft. Oh, White Sox go. Oh, yeah. White Sox and Reds just ended. We're on the Indians and Rockies. Indians and Rockies ending now. This pack will just be the all dudes pack. That doesn't ever have anything fun in it. Just dudes. Lots of dudes in it. So we just... Alright, man. I'll tell Toby you said hi. For sure. Indians, Rockies, Tigers, ending now. Trevor Clifton out of $4.99 paper for the Cubs. Joe Adele. Franklin Perez for the Astros out of 200. Blue refractoration. This guy again. Nate Peterson, Pearson, base auto for the Blue Jays. What do the Blue Jays always get? Like at least 2 or 3 autos, no matter what. Almost always, but usually it's that guy. Logan Warmoth's the hard one to get. Indians, Rockies, ending now. And then Tigers. Actually, we're on the Rockies, Tigers. Rockies, Tigers, Astros. Right? Rockies, Tigers, Astros, ending now. Okay, what we got going on here? There, we got into it. Tigers, Astros, ending now. Here's the doll dude pack. Just a lot of dudes. Paper dudes, chrome dudes. Tigers, Astros, ending now. Tigers, Astros, ending now. I sound like a broken record, but that's me. Chrome dudes, and back to paper dudes. And this will be our auto pack. Paper dudes, chrome dudes. Out of $4.99, Will Craig for the Pirates. These guys, Gleaver. Recommended viewing Evan Mariners, guys. Gold refractor out of 50, Pavin Smith and Drew Ellis for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Gold refractoration. And a Tristan Lutz. I said Lutz. Lutz. Tristan Lutz. Base auto. Astros ending now. What the heck? What the Astros? Why? Chrome dudes. Astros. Royals. Angels. Dodgers. Ending now. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Alright, last pack of box 2. Royals, Angels, Dodgers, ending now. Alright. This will be the pack of all dudes. Royals just ended. So did, oh, that was the Astros. Yep, we already knew that one. So we're on the Angels and Dodgers, ending now. Angels and Dodgers, ending now. Chrome dudes. Paper dudes. Groovy. Groovy. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Paper guys, paper guys, paper guys. I need to move this up a little bit. Angels just ended around the Dodgers. Dodgers, Marlins, ending now. Paper guys, Chrome guys. Brendan McKay. Purple paper, Wyatt Mills for the Mariners. Out of 250. Wyatt Mills. 2 dudes for the Padres. Blue refractor auto of Zach Kirtley. Zach Kirtley. Blue refractor auto out of 150 for the Cardinals. Alright, some more Chrome dudes. And some more paper dudes. And some more refractor dudes. Alright, 1 box to go. Preferred will be next. Marlins just ended. We're on the Brewers and Twins. Brewers, Twins ending now. Alright, here's our pack of dudes. Brewers just ended. Twins, Mets, Yankees ending now. Twins, Mets, and Yankees ending now on the Bay. Alright, here's our pack of actual good stuff. Mets, Yankees ending now. Mets and Yankees ending now. Green, dude. Green jeans out of 99. Connor Uselton for the Pirates. Connor Uselton. Ronald Acuna. Gold refractor Brendan Little for the Cubs. Out of 50. Two dudes. Randy Johnson. And Blaine Enlow, purple refractor auto for the Minnesota Twins. Probably not the twin you wanted, but it's an autograph. Purple auto of Blaine Enlow. Refractor dudes. Alright. Yankees, Athletics, Phillies, ending now on the Bay. Yankees, Athletics, and Phillies. Alright, here's our dude pack. Let me check something really quickly here. If you do see any listings that do have shipping on them, like I said, I will take that off for you guys. So, obviously. So National Treasure is still ending now. There's still about 10, 12 teams. Then it jumps into Immaculate Football. Fresh case of Immaculate Football. And then Elite Extra Baseball. Hold on 1 sec, guys. Give me just 2 seconds. Just want to check something. Oh, it already came through. I don't know what he's talking about. Phillies just ended. We're on the Pirates. Pirates and... There's a Pirates. Pirates, Padres. Pirates, Padres. Ending now. Alright, let's continue with our dudes here. Lots of dudes, lots of dudes, lots and lots of dudes. Alright, 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 alright. Fernando Tatis. Purple refractor, Franklin Colome for the Phillies. Out of 250. Franklin Colome for the Phillies. Christopher Cease for the Rangers. Base auto. Christopher Cease. Ryan Sandberg doing some things. And some paper dudes. Paper dudes, paper dudes, paper dudes, and some refractorations. Pirates, Padres, Giants, ending now. Natty T, Natty National Treasures, National Treasures. There's a lot of dudes playing baseball, yeah. Padres, Giants, Mariners, ending now on the Bay. Hey, hey, hey. Paper dudes, paper dudes, paper dudes, yeah, yeah. I like dudes on paper. Alright, we got out of $4.99 Trevor Stephan for the Yankees. Paper, out of $4.99. Got some refractoring here. Kyle Wright. Gleyber Torres, blue refractor, out of 200 for the Yankees. Gleyber man. Ooh, we got one of these. Jeter Downs, class of 2017 for the Cincinnati Reds. That is numbered out of 250. Jeter Downs. Base dudes. Base dudes. We got some base dudes. We got some paper dudes. Paper dudes. And chrome dudes. Chrome refractor dudes. Giants ending now. Giants, Mariners, Cardinals. Giants, Mariners, Cardinals. Ending now. Ending now. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Right, buddy? That's what we say, huh? We go dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Nice, I'll take that down. Take the Jeter Downs. Jeter Downs. Alright, 2 packs to go. Again, National Treasures ending now. Mariners just ended. We're on the Cardinals. Cardinals ending now. Don't really like it at all. The way that its pack's on. Alright, here's the dude pack. Hi, buddy. This is the dude pack. Lots of dudes in this pack. Dudes. And chrome dudes. Chrome dudes. We'll go with my Friedel Rainbow. Yes, perfect. TJ Friedel Rainbow. National Treasures Baseball ending now on the Bay, then Immaculate Football, guys. Get your bids in, get your bids in. Alrighty-yo, alrighty-yo, alrighty-yo. Ronald Acuna out of $4.99 for the Braves. Acuna guy. Jorge Mateo. Blue refractor, AJ Puckett out of 150. Brent Rooker auto, base auto for the Minnesota Twins. Brent Rooker. All my other breaks are nice, easy peasy breaks. So, this is my only hard one. Or long one. Long one. Alright. Last pack, guys. Good luck. Texas, Toronto, ending now. Texas, Toronto, Washington, ending now. Alright, let's check out our dudes first here. Dudes playing baseball. Yeah, they are playing baseball. Yeah. Alright, last autograph. Here we go. See these paper dudes first. Oh, shit. That's not what it was. Dang it. Nick Senzel. Purple paper. Matthew Watley out of 250 for the Rangers. Jim Thome. And for the Cardinals, refractor auto of Zach Kirtley. For the Cardinals, out of $4.99. Chrome dudes. Paper and chrome dudes. Alright, up next is preferred. We got through Super Jumbo. Superman Jumbo. Superman Jumbo. Alright. These guys are going to go over here for now. Alright. Stopping the recording.